Number 9. Question number 10. We need to find the tangent line approximate to f of x equals to 1 over x near 1. So we need to find tangent line basically at the function f of x at x equal to 1. So whenever we have any equation and if we want to find the tangent at a particular point or the tangent line at a particular point, what we do is that we just take the derivative of that function and we substitute the value or the coordinate of that point into the derived equation, and which that gives us the tangent of the function. So I will take basically derivative of f of x, which is equal to derivative of 1 over x. Now in this I'm going to use the power rule of derivative. So let's say d dx of x power n is n times x power n minus 1. So for 1 over x, I can write this as x power minus 1. Therefore, d dx of 1 over x can be equal to d dx of x inverse. And by using this rule, I can write x minus 1 and this will be minus 1. So this will become negative of x and this will become negative of x 1 over x square. Now we need to find the tangent at x equal to 1. So we'll just substitute the value of x as 1 and it is negative of 1. Using the power rule for derivatives, then we have x equal to negative 1. Now substituting this into L of x, we have, let's see what is L of x. We find the answer for the linear approximation Lx equal to f of a, f prime of a. For linear approximations, we want both f of a and f prime of a so that they are easy to calculate. In this case, f of 1 and f prime of 1 are easy. So this was just the tangent. Okay. So if I come here and the equation of line will become f of a, f prime of a times x minus a, and my x is going to be 1 here, I think. So let's calculate f of 1, and f of 1 is going to be 1 over 1, which is 1, and we have f prime of 1, which is negative of 1. So we have L of x equals to 1 minus 1 into x minus 1, and this will be 2 minus x. So the solution given here is, correct solution Great job.